Welcome to the BIZOL How to Do video. Today we would like to show you BIZOL Rust Shock Plus f22 and disassemble hot glow plug and injectors in diesel direct injection system. This product can cool engine components to extremely low temperatures, which is extremely useful when dismantling heavily rusted and seized injectors items. Shake the product well before use. Disassembly of the glow plug should be started by cleaning the spark plug socket with compressed air. Thanks to the innovative spray nozzle, the spray can be applied in two ways. Apply a small amount of BIZOL Rust Shock Plus f22 around the glow plug and wait a few minutes, then unscrew. Excellent rust and penetrating properties allow for easy disassembly. If necessary, the spray should be applied several times. If the injector is dismantled, the fuel and electric lines must be removed. Then, the injector mounting foot must be removed. Then apply BIZOL Rust Shock Plus f22 near the disassembled injector. Wait a few minutes so that the product can dissolve rust. If necessary, the spray should be applied several times. Remove the injector and make necessary repairs. BIZOL Rust Shock Plus f22 is essential in every workshop.